observing widespread mistrust in systems. Trust nothing, verify everything.
Hi, my name is Zach. Nukez.xyz. It's an agent native infrastructure protocol, primarily built on top of Solana. It's multi-chain, but the real story is more interesting, and it all started about 8 or 9 years ago when I got into machine learning by myself. Applied it pretty quickly to real estate markets, but that's where I learned software engineering sort of from the ground up. I began by teaching myself Python, built lots of advanced web scrapers for data extraction and collection, and then I had to do all the data wrangling, processing, feature engineering, all the way up through training convolutional neural networks. That was all pre-LLM. At that time, you could have picked up any ordinary O'Reilly media book, pack publishing book, and it would have shown you a generic recipe that could have made, an LLM. So when those first came out, I wasn't all that interested. Fast forward, and things changed quite rapidly. Around that time, I recognized sort of the true potential of the Solana blockchain, especially when it came to being uniquely positioned to satisfy the needs of agents and the coming agentic paradigm. It's perfect for it. The settlement times, it was able to. I watched what happened on October 10th. It very resilient, very good technology. After I did some research, I became friends with Dr. Blocks of Switchboard.xyz. I wouldn't say friends, but we met over the phone once through a Zoom chat. And it was around that time, early November, that I had my first ever experience with my private keys being stolen. He suggested I used a Jito bundle to sort of salvage what I could at the time, and so it was around then that I got my first sort of heavy lifting with Solana. Got very familiar with the whole architecture of the chain, how it works, how things are processed, all that. And so it was then that the light bulb went off that it will be the winner, no doubt, when it comes to the agentic economy and all things to come. So I'm excited to show y'all what I built. Hopefully you like it. It's live. It's on mainnet. The whole thing is done from start to finish. I'll show you the demo, and we'll excited to hear back from you. Thank you.